So, I just want to say happy April Fool's Day.
Happy April Fool's Day.
Yeah, so what's happening today is we're actually going to be hosting and taking over your job because models rule, right, everybody? Yes, so that means me and the girls are going to be hosting for you and announcing for George, and you're going to be a model.
What?
Yes, so scurry along and get your heels on, and we'll see you later on.
Get ready.
Bye.
Get out of here. Get out of here. Take it over. We're taking over.
So, what's our first prize up for bids on The Price is Right?
Designer accessories. This leather Michael by Michael Kors collection includes 3 wallets, a studded wristlet, and 2 totes with detachable charms.
Now, those handbags and wallets will go to the contestant who bids the closest to the actual retail price without going over. So, Peter, what do you bid?
$8.50.
$8.50. Okay, Amy, it's your turn.
$1,300.
$1,300 from Amy. So what about you, Kobe?
$9.99.
$9.99. Constance, it's down to you. What's your bid?
$1,200.
$1,200. The actual retail price is $1,516. Amy, come on up. Amy, yes, girl. Woo! Congratulations. Okay, Amy. We actually have a prize for you here. Amber, can you tell us what that prize is, please?
It's a new car. It's the Ford Fiesta SE. This 5-door hatchback comes equipped with a 1.6-liter engine, message center with trip computer, electronic stability control, plus paint and fabric protection. It's the Ford Fiesta.
Thank you for that, Drew. That was interesting. So, Amy, we're going to be playing Money Game, and what you need to do is give me the first 2 numbers for the price of that car and the last 2 numbers for the price of that car. Okay, I am going to actually give you the middle number for free. Okay. 19. All right, let's see. Is it a car? No, but you got $19, Amy. 27. 27. Oh, okay. Let's try again.
17.
17. Woo! Let's get this. Let's get it.
34.
Okay. 34. Oh. Amy. We're filling this up, and it's our last one.
58.
Okay. 58 is her choice. Yes! She got it! Amy got it! Amy, you go, girl! Let me Drew see that car.
Amy, how you doing? Congratulations.
Oh, my God!
Here, look at your car. Where's your license plate?